we have this door lock. You just pull the side and flip it over and it unlocks the door. And then whenever you're done, you pull it back over and it locks back into place. That way it keeps the door nice and locked. When you open the door, it's screwed in, and so it makes it very sturdy. Stays on the door. We don't have to worry about our toddler coming into the bathroom when we are not aware, because she makes a lot of messes in the sink. And then when we're done, we close it back and it just locks into place